Morning. Welcome to DB Overland. Welcome to another vlog. This vlog is going to be over the chaos that I have to do, that I have to deal with. So on Instagram, last week I believe, I posted that the transmission in my red truck blew up. And it didn't like grenade, but I'll show you what's going on here. So I took the shifter apart, and you can see that the part that the shifter connects to is just gone. It moves around and it does nothing. So I think what happened is somewhere inside the shift forks let loose, because I was trying to I was able to back up, and then I was trying to pull forward again, and it felt like it was going into fourth gear, and nothing. Like it just fourth gear, and then I like made sure it was all the way over and up, and then it just went bang, and then the truck had nothing in all gears. So I think the shift forks have let loose. So here's the chaotic part. I am hosting a off-road event over the 4th of July weekend, and I'm down a truck right now. So I have to get my other Overland truck going, which is my 94 black truck. You may have seen pictures of it. Actually, it's in the first video that I ever did. There's really nothing, I mean, for the most part, it's pretty much you know, ready to go. There is some stuff that I have to do. I mean, well, okay, so there's two major things that I have to do. One, the engine burns oil. I rebuilt the bottom end of that engine, and I did not touch the cylinder rings, the piston rings, and they're toast. The engine consumes oil. I think within 60 miles it uses a quart of oil, so it's just, the motor's done, at least, you know, for the piston wise. So my plan is that my motor in the red truck is perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with this motor. It's a good motor. So my plan is I got to take the motor out of the red truck, and I'm going to put it in the black truck, so that way I've got a good solid motor. And I plan on putting the diesel engine in the red truck anyway, so might as well. But I also have to transfer all of this equipment over onto the black truck. And another thing I have to do is I have to pull the rear diff out of this truck and put it back in my black truck, because I pulled it out and I wanted my air locker in this truck. So 3 pretty major things, and I've got 2 weeks to do it. So this I'm going to take you guys along my chaos here, and we'll make it happen. I gotta have it. I gotta get it done. So we'll just make it happen. So anyways, follow me along, and I will show you the chaos of me trying to get this done before the 4th of July. Okay, move it towards the back. Yep, slide it back. Don't let it drag on that white part, otherwise it'll dent it.
I'm trying to.
There you go. There you go. Okay, get it down. Yep, okay. Go ahead. So, if you guys have been wondering, what happened to the diesel motor? What happened to it? I showed a video of me unloading it off the truck. Well, there it is. It has been sitting on my port engine stand for a while now because I have had no time at all to even dick with it. I set it up to where I could try to start it, but that's it. Like, I have been so busy with that with my customer building that FJ60. I've just been so incredibly busy. So, and also where I left off is the plugs for the wiring harness do not match my computer. And I'll go over this in detail when I go to do the engine swap, because I plan on doing a full video series of the engine swap, so that way you guys have detail of how to do this swap in the future if you're ever interested in it. But yeah, so I've got a little bit of electrical issue that I got to deal with, but nothing too major. You know, when I bought the engine, it didn't come with a computer, so I did find a computer for it. I just gotta find time to do it. And I guess with the transmission blowing up in the red truck, might as well. So but anyways, if you're curious about the diesel engine, that's where it's at right now. But soon to go in. It's in. The truck is in the garage. I am out of shape. So anyways, I think what I'm going to start off first is I'm going to pull the rear diff out. That way I can get it to my black truck, and that I can get my black truck around front, because it runs, just burns oil really bad. Then off with the hood, and out comes this girl. Good motor, only 109,000 on it, I believe. Let's check. I think 109. I think it finally rolled over. And yep, 109,000. I'm surprised for how low mileage this truck is that the tranny went out. It's ridiculous. But I think this is the W54 transmission, which is the solid cast iron transmission, 5-speed, and they weren't notorious for being really good transmissions. The W56 is the transmission to go with. That is the transmission. So anyways, time to rip this engine out and get it in my black truck. Got to pull the rear diff, and yeah, lots and lots of work to do. So I'm going to leave you off here with today's vlog, and we'll pick up again with further progress. Thanks guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.